Garland Pose or Malasana in Sanskrit is a squatting posture that builds flexibility in the ankles, hips, and knees. It is an excellent pose to weave into a weekly asana practice, especially for those who spend a lot of time sitting in chairs. Begin in Tadasana. Inhale, hands at the hips, and bring the feet wider than the hips, with the toes slightly out to the sides. Exhale, bend the knees, lowering the hips so that they hover just above the floor. Widen the feet if needed. Inhale, bring the palms to meet in prayer position in front of the chest and press the elbows against the knees. And the knees gently resist the elbows. Breathe while holding the pose. The eyes can be closed. In this position, the big toes remain pressing down into the mat. The feet are equally weighted. To keep the spine in an upright position, the abdominals are contracted. The palms are pressing towards each other firmly to keep the chest lifted. Malasana is a good preparation for Pakasana. Inhale, gently open the eyes. Place your hands at the hips and with leg strength, push your body up to standing. Exhale, draw the feet together, hands at the side, back to Tadasana.